Welcome to a colorful event. These first 4 photos are close-ups, so you can really appreciate the color show we're getting here. Throughout this series of photos that we're now into here, we're up for about 3 seconds. We give you a chance to pause, zoom in, look around. This day that I got all the color appreciation, but believe it really gave me some knowledge that I'm appreciated to some extent by them, and this is from the supernatural, guys. This is way out there. If you think at all that I'm doing some kind of color enhancing and stuff, look at my videos, you'll see I am not that talented. So try to appreciate that this is a supernatural event going on here, and you get to observe it and think for yourself. You'll be able to see some faces out there. I haven't really fully submerged myself into this yet. I was waiting until it's also finished myself. So take care and let the imagination grow. Put it on this might come through as 4K and stuff, so I'm trying to put it through my highest capabilities. Cheers.